Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to get rounded edges on Instagram. So we cannot do this on our Instagram app, so we will have to go on our browser and then you have to go on the site capwing.com. So after that we will just have to click on start editing. Then you here have to click to upload. So here you have to upload your image, go to your files, camera, or whatever you want. So I will choose this image right here, and then we will have to click on edit image. And then here, as you can see, we have corners. So we will do this and then click done. And as you can see, now we have rounded corners. And if you want the background to be another color, black or white or something else, we just have to click outside of the image. And now we have edit background instead of edit image. So click on edit background. And here you have to choose your background color. So I will choose a black color. Then we will have to click on export image, this green button from the top of the page. Then if you want to remove the watermark, you will have to sign in, but I will show you a trick to remove this watermark without signing in and without paying. So you have to scroll down and click on download. Then you have to open your file. So this is my photo, and then I will go to my Instagram app and I will share it as my story. You can share it as your feed post or reels, it's your choice. So I will go to upload. I will choose my photo, and then to get rid of this watermark we will have to click right here next to text and then click on the black color, and we will erase this. And then click done, and then click send to. And as you can see, we didn't have to sign in or pay to download it without a watermark. So you just have to share it on your story and click done. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.